Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the correct thread and measuring 0.5 to 1 meter for typical short tubes. This prevents excess tangles. Insert the thread through the turner's eye and grip the handle firmly so you control the tip. Once done, align the fabric opening over the turn tip and keep the seam allowance even. This ensures the turner catches the fabric edge. Move deliberately. Small corrections now avoid big problems later. You're ready to begin feeding the tool into the tube. You push the turner slowly into the tube while keeping tension on the thread. The rotating tip engages the inner seam and grips the fabric edge. Make sure to apply steady pressure. If you feel resistance, stop and wiggle the tip slightly. Forcing it risks stretch or distortion. Once the tool is about 80% through, stop advancing and reposition your hand to pull. This change of phase prevents jamming. You'll now use the thread to invert the fabric smoothly back over the tip. You complete the turn by pulling the thread steadily so the turner brings the fabric right side out. Guide the seam with your free hand to avoid twisting and keep edges aligned. Once inverted, press the seam flat with an iron, trim excess thread, and top stitch if the design requires stability. If the tool gets stuck, reverse direction gently, add a tiny amount of fabric-safe lubricant, or slightly widen the opening with snips. This resolves most jams without damaging the piece. Check alignment before final pressing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.